Hey car enthusiasts, did you know that a poor quality oil filter could be silently sabotaging your engine right now? In this video, we're diving deep into the top best oil filters for cars on Amazon, all designed to protect your engine and keep it running smoothly, with links to every product down in the description, so check them out. Starting at number 6, the K&N Premium Oil Filter HP-1004 is engineered for serious longevity, offering up to 20,000 miles of engine protection for select Hyundai, Kia, Subaru, and Honda vehicles. Its heavy-duty steel canister and pleated synthetic blend media trap contaminants while maintaining steady oil flow, and the welded wrench-off nut makes DIY installation a breeze. Compared to basic conventional filters, the HP-1004's high-flow design and durable construction shine, though ultra-premium competitors may slightly outperform it in filtering the tiniest particles. Moving to number 5, the Bosch 3300 Premium Oil Filter leverages Filtech media to trap both microscopic and larger contaminants, boasting a 14-gram dirt-holding capacity. With a metal spiral center tube, steel housing, anti-drainback valve, and leak-proof gaskets, it ensures dependable filtration while offering easy DIY installation. While the Bosch 3300 may not match ultra-premium synthetic filters for extreme fine particle capture, it strikes an excellent balance between cost, reliability, and everyday performance, especially for commuters and city drivers. Number 4 brings the FRAM Synthetic X G7317P, which excels in long-life synthetic oil service, boasting dual-layer media with over 99% filtration efficiency and support for up to 20,000 miles between changes. Its sure-grip exterior, anti-drainback valve, and sturdy internal construction make it easy to install and maintain. In comparison to the K&N or Bosch, FRAM focuses on a set-and-forget approach with synthetic oil, ideal for regular drivers rather than extreme, heavy-duty use. At number 3, the ACDelco PF46E provides OEM-level reliability for GM vehicles, offering proper oil flow, a standard micron rating of 25 to 30, and a spin-on design that's simple to install. It's not a high-end synthetic powerhouse like some competitors, but it's perfect for everyday maintenance and OEM compatibility. Number 2, the Purolator PL11752 features high-density synthetic blend media capturing up to 99% of dirt, a double-helix high-flow center tube, and silicone anti-drainback valve designed specifically for newer Hyundai and Kia models. Compared to other filters on this list, it excels in everyday performance and ease of use, though it's less suited for extreme or heavy-duty intervals. Finally, number 1, the Premium Guard PG5702EX offers extended life protection up to 10,000 miles for select Toyota and Lexus vehicles, using synthetic blend media with approximately 99% efficiency and an anti-drainback valve to prevent dry starts. Its high dirt-holding capacity and robust construction make it a practical choice for moderate mileage drivers seeking fewer oil changes without compromising engine safety, standing out for those who want a sensible balance between convenience and performance. So, which filter would you trust to protect your engine? Have you tried any of these yourself? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a video. All the links are in the description. Go check them out and give your engine the protection it deserves.